ಹಂಟ್ ಅನಿಮೆ ಕಲಾ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆ ಘೋಷಣೆ 3 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಹುಮಾನದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಗಿನ್ನೆಸ್ ದಾಖಲೆಗೆ ಸಜ್ಜು. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು: ಭಾರತದ ಸೃಜನಶೀಲ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ದೈತ್ಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇನ್ಫೋಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್, ಇಮೇಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್, ಇಂದು ಜಾಗತಿಕ ಮಟ್ಟದ ಅತಿದೊಡ್ಡ ಅನಿಮೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಂಗಾ ಕಲಾ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯಾದ ದಿ ಜೈಂಟ್ ಹಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅನಾವರಣಗೊಳಿಸಿದೆ. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಅದ್ಧೂರಿ ಪತ್ರಿಕಾಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಹತ್ವದ ಘೋಷಣೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಇದು ವಿಶ್ವದ ಅತಿದೊಡ್ಡ ಅನಿಮೆ ಕಲಾ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯೆಂಬ ಗಿನ್ನೆಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವ ದಾಖಲೆಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸುವ ಗುರಿ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. 3 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮೊತ್ತದ ಬೃಹತ್ ಬಹುಮಾನಗಳ ಮಹಾಪೂರ. ಈ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯ ವಿಶೇಷವೆಂದರೆ ಜಾಗತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅನಿಮೆ ಕಲಾ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತಿರುವ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮೊತ್ತವಾದ 3 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಹುಮಾನ ನಿಧಿ. ವಿಜೇತರಿಗೆ ಸಿಗಲಿರುವ ಬಹುಮಾನಗಳು ಕಣ್ಮನ ಸೆಳೆಯುವಂತಿವೆ. ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್: ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಕಲಾಕೃತಿಗೆ 2 BHK ಮನೆ. ಇತರ ಆಕರ್ಷಣೆಗಳು: ಕಾರುಗಳು, ಮೋಟಾರ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ಗಳು, ಚಿನ್ನದ ನಾಣ್ಯಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಕನ್ಸೋಲ್ಗಳು. ಜಪಾನ್ ಪ್ರವಾಸ: ಭಾರತದಿಂದ ಆಯ್ಕೆಯಾಗುವ 9 ಅದೃಷ್ಟಶಾಲಿ ವಿಜೇತರಿಗೆ ಅನಿಮೆ ತವರೂರಾದ ಜಪಾನ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರವಾಸ ಮಾಡುವ ಸುವರ್ಣಾವಕಾಶ. ಗಿನ್ನೆಸ್ ದಾಖಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಮಾಣಪತ್ರ: ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವ ಅರ್ಹ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಧಿಕೃತ ಗಿನ್ನೆಸ್ ವಿಶ್ವ ದಾಖಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಮಾಣಪತ್ರಗಳು ಲಭ್ಯವಿರಲಿವೆ. ವಿಶೇಷ ಆಫರ್: ಮೊದಲ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ನೋಂದಣಿದಾರರಿಗೆ 250 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮೌಲ್ಯದ ಲೆಗೋ ಇ ವೋಚರ್ಗಳು ಸಿಗಲಿವೆ. ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯ ಮಾನದಂಡಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಮುಖ ದಿನಾಂಕಗಳು: ಈ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯು 8 ವರ್ಷ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಮೆ ಪ್ರಿಯರಿಗೆ ಮುಕ್ತವಾಗಿದ್ದು 3 ವಿಭಾಗಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. 1. ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ 8 ರಿಂದ 15 ವರ್ಷಗಳು. 2. ಯುವಜನತೆ 16 ರಿಂದ 24 ವರ್ಷಗಳು. 3. ವಯಸ್ಕರು 25 ವರ್ಷ ಮೇಲ್ಪಟ್ಟವರು. ಗಮನಿಸಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನವ ಸೃಜನಶೀಲತೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆದ್ಯತೆ. ಕೃತಕ ಬುದ್ಧಿಮತ್ತೆ ಎಐ ಬಳಸಿ ರಚಿಸಿದ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶವಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೇವಲ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಕಲಾಕೃತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ನೋಂದಣಿ ಆರಂಭ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ 1, 2026. ನೋಂದಣಿ ಅಂತ್ಯ ಜೂನ್ 30, 2026. ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 8 ರಿಂದ 9, 2026 ರಂದು ಚೆನ್ನೈನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿರುವ ದಿ ಜೈಂಟ್ ಹಂಟ್ ಅನಿಮೆ ಫೆಸ್ಟಿವಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಜಾಗತಿಕ ತೀರ್ಪುಗಾರರ ಮಂಡಳಿ: ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯ ಗುಣಮಟ್ಟವನ್ನು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಯ್ದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಜಪಾನ್ನ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧ ಸ್ಟುಡಿಯೋಗಳಾದ ಪೋಕ್ಮನ್, ನೆಟ್ಫ್ಲಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸೈಲರ್ ಮೂನ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ ಹಿರೋಶಿ ತಕಾನೆ, ಟೊಮೊಯುಕಿ ಅರಿಮಾ ಮತ್ತು ಫುಮಿಯೋ ಐಡಾ ಅವರಂತಹ ದಿಗ್ಗಜರು ತೀರ್ಪುಗಾರರಾಗಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಿಇಒ ಮಾತು: ಇಮೇಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ನ ಸಂಸ್ಥಾಪಕ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಇಒ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೆ. ಕುಮಾರ್ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಎಐ ಯುಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾನವ ಕಲ್ಪನಾ ಶಕ್ತಿಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪುನರುಚ್ಚರಿಸುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ದಿ ಜೈಂಟ್ ಹಂಟ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಲಾವಿದರಿಗೆ ಜಾಗತಿಕ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇತಿಹಾಸದ ಭಾಗವಾಗುವಂತೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಎಂದರು. ಈ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧೆಯು ಕೇವಲ ಗೆಲುವಿಗಾಗಿ ಮಾತ್ರವಲ್ಲದೆ ಕಲಿಕೆಗೂ ಒತ್ತು ನೀಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ 50ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಂಟೆಗಳ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಿ ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ವಿವಿಧ ಭಾಷೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿವರಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ನೋಂದಣಿಗಾಗಿ thegianthhunt.comಗೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ಗೆ ಭೇಟಿ ನೀಡಿ. ವರದಿ
And we also given a theme, theme of 7 characters. But don't you think giving a theme of characters, you're going to restrict on their imagination? That's one. And also, you're going to get thousands of entries. And I'm sure that people are going to manipulate and going to add AI. So people are going to create an AI-related images. How are you going to monitor and restrict, and how are you going to judge?
About not only thousands, lakhs. Okay, so and I'll address each question separately. How are we going to manage this many entries? Okay, so we have 3 layers of judging. Okay, so all the entries are not going to be judged by the panel that you saw now, right? So first we have our own volunteers, employees who will basically put 2 boxes, and they may not have. So when we said this is style I spoke about, right? Anime is a style, right? So there are some nuances to it, some principles to it. If that is adhered to, then that comes into the anime box, which the other one is non-anime. So it's obviously rejected, right? So next level, the second level of judges will see more about more intricately. Okay, so here addressing your second question, right? One of the most the biggest criteria is creativity. That is more than extreme drawing skills. More than extreme drawing skills, what I'm looking for is creativity. Okay, so when we say 7 characters, right? When we say hero, hero need not be just how a person looks. There could be a background story to it. Okay, so the hero could be anything. It could be with horns. So we are not restricting imagination anyway. That is the challenge. That is not the actual workmanship or the draftsmanship. That's not what we are looking at. We're looking at how storytelling can come. That's I think I've answered 2 questions, right? Always when a person, especially when they draw digital, we made it mandatory that they have to screen record it. So what happens is, you have the blank screen, you have the cursor, then as it draws on a digital tablet, the whole thing forms, you can see that. That is one level of judging. If that person comes to the final level, he has to demonstrate it again, and if he wins, he has to replicate it again. That's how it is across.
And the world record official attempt, is it for the largest number of people participating in it?
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Number of entries, yes.
Okay, next question.
Yeah, very good afternoon, sir. This is Ajay. Just a couple of questions. Just I want to know, after the winners, how will be this IP of that winner will be dealt with? Who will be the right owner of the IP, or how it is that one?
IP owner will be, image only. Yeah, because
Okay, yeah. And as you said, now Indian government also has been recognized this sector as sunshine and orange economy. So it's full overall AVGC XR sector is now labeled. In this one, how much importance anime or manga is getting? Because now India is more of cricket and cinema. So VFX and other things will get a huge chunk. So how much this anime or manga or comics, how much in this one it's there?
the AVGC
Market share or anything?
the AVGC sector itself actually is spoken very much in the last 7 years only. And especially like last year, I think Madam spoke, Nirmala Sitharaman Madam spoke, and government, central government is taking a lot of initiative on AVGC. See, cricket is actually like it is a game of lovable, everybody loves something like same thing. If you see, even anime also everybody loves, which you don't know, I don't know. That's a problem. Basically, it's been not promoted heavily. We need to promote. That is what is a very important point. Okay, so yeah.
Like adding and answering to the exact thing that you're asking for, AVGCXR has started looking at anime and comics. They come under the comics category. So anime has.
But I mean, how much that market share in India of only anime and manga? Out of
See, in
this
terms of
whole-
market share, if we're talking, last year they had conducted a contest called VAM
Okay.
by Waves, which is directly under the Ministry of
MIB,
IT and
MIB.
MOIB. So the VAM is for anime and manga exclusively, which was conducted and which had cosplay, anime, manga creation, web manga creation, and all of this is rooted into the Waves OTT platforms that they're talking about. So that is how AVGC sector is foreseeing anime. And anime is taken up so seriously in India that in 2023 we got an exclusive anime IP copyright that was implemented, and all the IP, Japanese IP companies and the character creation companies, they had minted around $1 million just in IP alone. So that is how extensively India is also taking care of anime, and that is exactly how AVGC XR is also viewing at it.
Anime. So just I want to know, in India, potential anime studios to make same, where he is also using. How do you look at this one?
That is
Thank you.
exactly why we're trying to build the giant hunt. Because the more creators we get, the more anime artists we get, the more studios. And not just one RRR will be said, but we'll be able to tell much more of Indian origin stories, because we have big production houses here who can man these films. But we don't have the artists, we don't have the studios. And that is exactly the gap that the Giant Hunt wants to cater to.
So your question.
Yeah, my question is relating to the prices. You mentioned a lot. I don't know, do you have any sponsorship or any partnership with any of these companies who's going to handle these prices?
Yeah, that's a good question. Okay, so it is completely self-sustained as of today. right? Companies wearing the complete, which is a big thing because when, as a person from the industry, when I speak outside, right, when I talk to my colleagues, friends that we have started this contest, everybody says, okay, contest, okay, what's the big deal? So when I say 3 crores, I said, their jaw drops. Yeah, so what are you saying? So do you have sponsors? They also ask the same thing. I said, no. It's a vision that the MD has for a longer term. Okay, basically to give platform to budding talent from India, to take it across the world, then grow together. So as of today, there's no sponsors as such. It's all sponsors and no sponsors. This contest will.
No, because this e-vouchers you mentioned Lego.
Yes, it came just recently. They just came on board. We are open to getting sponsors, but we don't depend on sponsors to the prizes. Prizes already, we have the bandwidth to give that away.